Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to solve the third and final layer of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. If you don't know how to solve the first and second layer of the Rubik's Cube, I published videos 2 or 3 weeks ago about them, so go and check them out. The links are in the description below. However, if you do know how to solve the first and second layer, that is perfect. Let's get started. Solving the third layer of the Rubik's Cube is almost identical to solving the first layer. The first step we want to do is to get the yellow cross just as we did for the first layer. For this, we can forget about the 4 corner pieces for now. It is one algorithm that we repeat depending on where the edge pieces are in order to get the yellow cross. Once we have solved the first and second layer, we will always have a yellow centerpiece at the top. Now, there may or may not be yellow edge pieces at the top. If this is the case where there is none at the top, we do the following moves. Front to the right, right up, top to the left, right down, top to the right, and front back to the left. By doing so, we now have 2 edge pieces at the top. That is the first and most basic step of solving the yellow cross. There will often be the case when you have solved the first and second layer and you already have 2 of the yellow edge pieces. If this is the case, that is great because it eliminated the first step of solving the yellow cross. We then want to rotate the top to make the edge pieces and centerpiece into a backwards L. Again, forget about the corner pieces, they are not relevant in this step. Now that we have our backwards L, we do the following moves that I showed you previously. Front to the right, right up, top to the left, right down, top to the right, and front back up. That is the second step in solving the yellow cross. Once you have done that, you will see that you now have a horizontal or vertical yellow line. You want it to be horizontal and you do the same moves again. So front to the right, right up, top to the left, right down, top to the right, and front back to the left. You have now officially solved the yellow cross. Well done. Now that's not the end of it. You may have solved the yellow cross, but if you take a look around the cube, you will see that the edge piece and center pieces don't always match up. Yes, the blue matches up with the blue, but for example, the green doesn't match up with the red, orange doesn't match up with the green, and finally the red doesn't match up with the orange. This is the second step to solve the last layer. You want to match each centerpiece with the correct color. So to do this, just rotate your cube to see if any of them do match up. Now you want at least 2. 2 will always match up. So as you can see, we have the green with the green, the orange with the orange. So those 2 match up, and we want to put this one to the right so that the one that doesn't match up is facing towards us and the other one that doesn't match up is facing towards the left. Once you have done that, you now do the following moves. So right up, top to the left, right down, top to the left, right up, top to the left 2 times, and right down. Now you align them and they should all match up with the correct piece. As you can see, there's blue with blue, red with red, green with green, and orange with orange. You have now officially solved the yellow cross. What can often happen when trying to align the centerpiece with the correct edge piece color is you cannot get 2 next to each other, like red with red and blue with blue. You'll often find that there would be a red and red and a green and green that match up. So in order to get where it is 2 next to each other, you simply put the one that aligns up facing towards you and the other one, which is opposite this one, facing back towards the wall. And you do the same moves that I previously showed you, the right up, top to the left, right down, top to the left, right up, top to the left 2 times, and right down. And then you align it up so that the 2 colors match each other, and you do the same moves, making sure it's at the right and the other one facing back towards you, and the ones that don't match up are facing towards you and to the left, and do those same moves. Right to the top, top to the left, right down, top to the left, right up, top to the left twice, and right down. Now they should all match up. This can happen quite often, and it is a bit annoying, especially when you want to learn and solve it faster, but it's necessary in order to go forward. Okay, so now that you've solved the yellow cross, we now move on to the yellow corner pieces. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can forget about the cross and the edge pieces for now. We're only focusing on the corner pieces. So the first thing we want to do is look around at the edge pieces and see if the colors match up with the correct center pieces. As you can see, there's blue with blue, yellow with yellow, but orange does not go with red. So this corner piece does not belong there. We look around, this one doesn't match up as well. This one doesn't match up as well, but this one on the other hand does. So there's yellow with yellow, green with green, red with red. What we want to do is we take the piece that does match up, put it to the right, closest towards us, and we do the following algorithm. Top to the left, right up, top to the right, left up, top to the right, top to the left and right down, top to the right and left down. Once you've done this, they should but cannot always match up. So you can see this one matches up, but this one doesn't, and they still don't match up. So we simply repeat this process until they do. Top to the left, right up, top to the right, left up, top to the left, right down, top to the right and left down. Now that we've done that again, they can all match up now. So there's red with red, green, green, yellow, yellow. This one is already matched up, that one matches up, and this one matches up. So now you have them in the correct place. We can now worry about getting the yellow on top and finish solving the cube. Just keep in mind that when getting the corner pieces into the correct place, the first stage where you want to look and see if one of them does match up, sometimes none of them will match up, and that's okay. So you simply pick any one you want, whether that be this one, this one, this one, or this one, anyone you want, put it to the right closest to you and do the algorithm that I previously taught you, and then one should match up, and you repeat the process until they all match up. You are so close to solving the Rubik's Cube. The final step is making sure that these, now that they are in the correct place, making sure that the yellow is at the top on each piece. So what I like to do, and this is the last step of solving the Rubik's Cube, is you flip your cube like this, and you do the following moves on the corner pieces. So top to the right, right down, top to the left, right up, and you repeat this process until the yellow is with the yellow, and we then rotate the right up once and move the left over to the next piece that needs to be solved. We then do this process again and again and again until it is solved. So top to the right, right down, top to the left, right up, top to the right, right down, top to the left, and right up. Rotate it once to the next one that needs to be solved, and you do this again. You must make sure that you rotate this to the right, rotate the right to the top, otherwise it'll mess it up. Finally, the last step is to rotate it to the last one and do it again. And you have officially solved the last layer of the Rubik's Cube. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to go back and watch this as many times as you want. Other than that, have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.